Hi guys, welcome back. This is Mary with Isru. This is a Plan With Me video that I do every month. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to my channel for digital planning tutorials, tips, and tricks. Each month I'll be showing you how I plan using different planners in my shop, and everything I use will be linked below for you. I will also include a link to the Isru Freebie Vault, which will give you access to a whole library of digital planning freebies like planners, notebooks, stickers, and covers. So be sure to sign up for that below. So let's get started. First, I'll let you know what I'm using. I'm using my iPad, my Apple Pencil Generation 1, and the GoodNotes app for digital planning. The digital planner I'm using today is our latest addition to the shop, called the Epoch planner. I'm super excited about this planner because we just launched it and it has so much in it. It has 12 monthly tabs as well as 10 tabs at the top that you can create custom journals for the different areas of your life. It is super flexible and full of calendar, paper, and well-being templates for you to completely customize for whatever is best for you. I'll link the full walkthrough video of this planner in the description below, along with any other products I'm using. So let's get started with the planning. This is the monthly calendar page, and in this planner, these pages are undated, which is great for reusing every single year. You don't have to buy a new planner. You can just reuse these same templated pages year after year. So I'm just going to go ahead and date my planner for the entire month. Now that everything is dated, I'm going to open up the sticker book that I like to use. I have a split screen sticker book that I created, and I like to use it side by side with my planner just to make it easier to see all my stickers in one place and to see my planner at the same time. So in order to do this, you just open up the split screen view like I'm doing now. And then I have two different versions of this. I have a landscape version and a portrait version of the sticker book. This one I'm using in landscape because I like to have the planner large on the left and then my sticker book on the right. On the first of every month, I send out an email to my subscribers. And so I'm going to put that in right now as a reminder for me to send out that email. Each month I send out the freebies that I've made for the month, new video tutorials, and also an exclusive coupon code for my email audience. So if you haven't subscribed to that yet, be sure to do that. I will leave the link to that below. Since it's December, the kids will have a 2-week winter holiday, and we homeschool, but we are actually part of a local charter school, so they're on break for those 2 weeks. So my kids won't be going to school for the 2 days that they would typically go. So we're just going to take those 2 weeks off, take it easy, and relax, and so I'm just going to mark that on the calendar now. We homeschool the kids, but on Thursdays they go to Community Day. So Chris and I take full advantage of these days to go on a day date together. Since we don't have any family in town or a babysitter yet, it's so nice to have this time to spend quality alone time without the kids. Each month we have a one-on-one date with the kids outside of the home, and we alternate between having a meal with them and taking them out for an activity. So this month I'm going to be going on a date with Xander and Zoe on separate days, and I'm going to mark them on the calendar with some photos of them so that I remember to plan something fun. There are a few different ways that you can write in your digital planner. You can use the text typing tool to type it out, or you can use what I like to use, which is called Scribble, and you just write your text and it translates it into typed text for you. My handwriting isn't always the best, so I like to use Scribble, and I'm really amazed at how accurate it is. I create all my digital stickers with transparent backgrounds, so if you put them into your planner over maybe a color that you have that you like, it'll show really nicely on there with the transparent background. The sticker set that I'm using right now is called the Positivity sticker set. All of these stickers that you see are in my shop. On Sundays, we like to reserve this day for what we call family days. So on these days, we spend all day together without any distractions or devices. We just really spend quality time together. We're usually out and about exploring, adventuring, doing something active and fun outside and just being together. I'm going to make this one tag for Family Day and copy and paste it onto the other Sundays. And lastly, I am really looking forward to having our first Christmas in our new home. This is a photo of us from last year. I'm just going to put it on Christmas Day so that it'll remind me of the fun that we had last year and create some new memories this year. I really hope you enjoyed this Plan With Me video. Let me know if there's anything else you would like me to incorporate into the next one. I make these monthly for you guys, and I never really know what about my process you'd like to see, so if you have feedback on that, I would love to hear it. I hope you all have an amazing start to November, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time!